All right. So we're here at Encore Tower Suites 5507. So you enter the room. You might notice it's dark. This room has special features where Alexa can turn on the lights. So I will demonstrate that. Alexa, turn on all lights.
Okay.
That's not quite working the way it's supposed to. That's the bathroom. RIP. Alexa, turn on lights.
Okay.
When it works, it's pretty cool. Oh yeah, Alexa, open blinds.
Okay.
Not sure why. There's another setback there. I didn't know there was two. Alexa, open curtains.
Okay.
I'm not sure what that one's called. That's probably a name I don't have. Alexa, open all curtains.
Sorry, I didn't find a group or device named All
Drapes.
Curtains.
Alexa, open drapes.
Okay.
What? I don't know what those ones are. Because it closed them, but it doesn't reopen them. I can't figure out what they are. Is there a list for that one?
Shears?
Alexa, open shears.
Okay.
There we go. There's a tutorial. Anyway, a bit of an unusual start to the hotel tour, but we'll continue with the normal tour as if we were just regularly entering the room from here. So first I look at this floor map. You can see that we are in that room right there, so 7. And then we'll look at things like here's the control panel. That's for all the lights. You can use that on entry if you don't want to use Alexa. And then here is the view from within the room. When you enter, bathroom is on the right. I'm not going to run all this stuff. I don't have time to test everything, unfortunately. We'll just assume that it all works. Here's the bathroom. I will flush this though. This is pressure flush toilet. And you got a phone if you want to make a call. Toilet paper, lamp, plenty of fancy stuff. It's very nice. Door on the left there goes into the room next door. I'll open that though because it is actually pretty darn big in there. So here's the space. You have a dresser and closet, extra blankets and stuff built in, safe, iron board, all that's all already there. If we open this, the rooms have like 2 feet of space between them. Like that's pretty crazy in reality. Most efficient? No. Does it work? Yes. All right, coming in. A lot of mirrors. In fact, this room, I think they make it feel a lot bigger than it is with all these mirrors. It's an iPad there on the dresser, or not dresser, nightstand. Phone, they got little chocolates there. They give you this lovely little thing to get out of bed on. I think this is a king size bed, I think. I might be wrong, I'm not very good with bed sizes. On this side, this is a mini bar. You take things out of here and you gotta pay for it, so I don't recommend that. Same with the one on top there. Ice and water is free, however. Got your TV there. And on this side, got your desk with some lovely little decorations, a plant, probably fake, phone, lamp. There's a nice couch. It's a full couch. Footstool. Here is the air conditioner controller. I don't believe this system is smart. I think that's a manual thermostat. To get a view outside, Alexa, turn off the lights.
Okay.
Now we can see outside. There's Resorts World. Westgate. And then nothingness. And you can kind of see the outside of the Wynn. We're pretty high up. About technically 45 floors. Fontainebleau, Stratosphere. Lots of good stuff over there. It's a pretty nice view from here. But anyway, Alexa, turn on the lights.
Okay.
With that, we will conclude this tour right here. And that's it.